Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming calculation mode and removing formatting that hides decimals. First, make sure calculation is automatic so formulas update as you change settings. Next, select the cells that appear rounded and open format cells to set number and increase decimal places. Then go to File, Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Advanced. Once there, we'll adjust display and calculation behavior. This prevents Excel from merely showing fewer decimals while keeping underlying values intact. Make these changes now to proceed to precise control. Once done formatting, explicitly set the number of decimals you want visible. This controls only display, not stored value. Then locate and uncheck options, Right Arrow Advanced Right Arrow Set Precision as displayed to stop Excel from permanently rounding stored numbers. If you need formula-level control, replace imprecise calculations with round or roundup functions where intentional rounding is required. Make sure to reevaluate linked cells and charts so they reflect the increased precision, and save a copy before changing precision settings globally. To finish, force a full recalculation with F9 so all formulas show new precision. Verify dependent cells and charts to ensure they display the decimals you set. Make adjustments to each cell style if necessary. If numbers remain rounded, make sure no conditional formatting, custom number formats, or linked external files are reformatting values. Also confirm precision as displayed is off. One key troubleshooting tip: save a backup and test changes on a copy. If something breaks, you can revert immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.